Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language, background color and unit for Catia V5 before we actually start modeling. First I will start with language. Go to tools, under tools select customize, under customize go to option tab. Under the option tab you can see user interface language. Click on this drop down list. You can select whatever the language from this drop down list as per your requirements. I will set it as English. Click OK. And also remember to restart the session in order to apply this change to Catia V5. Next, I will show you how to change the background color. I will start from part design workbench. Go to start mechanical design, part design. Enter a suitable part name, click OK. Now you can see you are in a green color background. If you are working with some other softwares, maybe you want to change Catia background also the same. In order to do that, go to tools, go to option. Under the option click on general. Under general go to display and visualization tab. Under this visualization tab you can see this background. Click on this drop down arrow and select the color you want. I will select black color and you can see when I click on OK the changes will be applied instantly. Now the color background color is set. The next thing is to set the units. In order to set the units, go to tools, click on tools, go to option again. Under the general click on parameters and measure. Under parameters and measure you can see unit. Click on unit tabs. Under the unit tabs you can see all the parameters and their units. In order to change the unit of each and every parameters, you have to select the parameters and then click on this drop down arrow at the bottom of the table. I can change this millimeter to inches, and if you want to change the unit of angle you can select angle row and select the unit you required, and also time you can select second, millisecond, hour or minutes and so on. And down here you can see decimal places for read write numbers. I will set decimal places to 2 and I will click OK, and I will show you how these changes are applied when actual part modeling. Click OK. I'm going to draw a sketch on XY plane. Select XY plane, click on sketch command. Now we are in the sketch environment, and click on line command. Pick one point, clicking left mouse button, and pick the other point, clicking left mouse button again. Now I will give this a dimension. Click on constraint command. You can see the dimension is given as 4. I will change this to 1 inch and click OK. Let's see what will happen when I change the unit again. Go to tools, go to option. Now we are already in unit tabs, general, parameters and measures, units. I will change this length, unit of the length to inches, millimeters, and click OK. And I will change the number of decimal places to 2 and click OK. Now you can see 1 inch equal to 25.4 millimeters. Now the unit has been changed accordingly. Thank you for watching.